What about Saturday? Saturday cannot be singled out for voluntary fasting. Is that correct?
The beloved Prophet said, it's mentioned in Sunan Abu Dawud, volume number 2, book of fasting, Hadith number 2415, that do not single out Saturday for fasting. And even if you have to chew a grape skin or a piece of wood, then chew it. But don't single out Saturday fasting. The reason Prophet Muhammad particularly said do not single out Saturday for fasting is somewhat similar reason for Friday, because the Jews, they fasted on Saturday and it's their day of festival. So we don't want to imitate them and we want to be away from them. And that's the reason even for Sunday, which is done by the Christians. So specifically, not to single that out, that's the reason the Prophet Muhammad forbid to fast singling out Saturday, unless it's your normal routine and if it happens to coincide with that day.